Sounds like my blade.
Just go a little bit.
Oh my goodness.
I'll start it in first gear, then I'll second. And you can have all kinds of sounds. So Glenn,
Yeah.
easy on that trigger and learn it.
Yeah.
It should have pretty good drag brake.
The going up part is easy. The coming down part, not so much.
Just like takeoff and landings.
Yeah. The climb is optional. The descent is mandatory.
Not locked. Which one locked?
Oh!
Gas it!
Oh, gas it?
Yeah, if you're gonna go over, no go over. Sometimes that'll mess
Bit off more than I could chew.
Yeah, that's a dead end rocker.
Hey, there's something wrong with this. It doesn't crawl right.
Well, you haven't bought it yet.
What do you mean yet?
So like when it's coming down, if it'll roll on its own, let it roll.
Earl, okay.
And then if it starts, the ass end starts to come up over, sometimes you'll save it, sometimes you won't.
Do you have weight in there? Like front and back? Or?
Not in this one, no.
Oh! Oh, something broke off. Lost your fuel can.
Rejecting shit.
Get him out of here. Let's see, I've had to climb. I guess we're going.
There's no weights or nothing on it, Sean?
On this one?
Yeah.
No.
All stock, rims, foam.
Jesus Christ.
Alright.
Yeah, my ankle don't want to play today.
Come on, old man.
I'm trying. People do this in real cars.
Yeah.
I cringe when the toy falls off of the rock.
I have friends at Quartzsite that used to do this. Yeah, the Samurai.
Oh, those little things go
Yeah, and
places.
I was with him one time. He was going down something. He's like, "You better get out."
Wow, when the driver says that.
Yeah. But he made it.
I'll keep this down low so you guys don't have to crawl, but I turn right around and go right up that one. But we're gonna go on and find other lines. That's pretty cool. You could even go back down and find a harder one or easier one.
I saw the signs, a couple signs, no drones.
Yeah, $180
Did he?
fine.
Yeah.
Really?
There's someone coming in, and there's one closer to where we turned off here. I think
Yeah.
they can hear.
These ain't a drone then,
It
right?
said no drone flight, $180 fine. I was kind of like, might be worth it.
Because they don't want you throwing off the blades?
I don't know. That's why I bought the drone, so I could fly and stuff like this. But
Now see, this is part of the monument, right?
yeah,
But that other one you went to with me,
that was before the.
but that was a county
yeah.
park, not. And I asked that ranger guy there about it because you were wondering about it.
Yeah, that area should be. Yeah, that area is fine. It's going into to the park. So.
See a line you want to take? Holler up and go. I'll just kind of stay at the base of these rocks.
This one, that one are actually on the same chassis, that SCX 10.
Uh huh.
Shows what you can do with it.
Yeah.
Where are we going? Where's the end point?
Where? I was gonna come down here, and then whatever. I mean, kind of go up and around, or we can go back that way. I don't know how they would do that.
Oh, I was just trying to find to see how I was gonna take the line. I don't even know if I'm reaching down that.
Sure, watch.
Yeah. The endo.
Hold my beer.
Yeah. You gotta keep it tight on that rock.
Mr. Pro over here.
Yeah?
Damn. The rock crawling god. Jesus Christ.
Tight on that rock.
Oh!
Got it. Right on. I know that. Look at the articulation.
Yeah, look at that.
Pretty cool, huh?
That was easy.
He's gonna go up here and knock this rock down on us.
What's that shifty noise?
Creak, creak, creak.
Okay, that's easy. Oh, shit.
Oh! Oh! Oh, shit. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna bust my ass.
I don't know if we can get up. I don't know.
I'm watching the truck and not watching where I'm going.
Yeah, I know, right? Screw the truck. The truck's cheaper. The truck's cheaper to fix.
Yeah.
That's a good little side hill thing if it can make it all the way across. I don't know. I think it'll roll though.
Yeah, let's go roll.
Yeah. Hey man, these are fucking good too. Fucking cool. Just flat cool.
Exit over there?
I don't know. Did you try it?
No.
Where does his go?
It's right here.
I gotta get a picture of it right there. That's fucking cool.
Through the bushes?
Yeah, it goes the hole right under the rock. Fit under that. Like a glove.
Did it stop working?
No.
Let me get it. Yeah.
I was gonna go around that way because this way's not working. One that other way was not working. The bush had a lot of thorns on it. up from this side would be cool. These rocks over here are pretty sweet.
You go back down that? These bushes here. Oh!
Oh, that's nice.
That's talent right there.
Maybe I can get you guys.
So you go with that top up there, but looks like there's a big drop.
Steep on the other side.
Well, look at that. It goes right through the very easy. And I'm going to try this line, I think.
Hey, I ain't carrying your ass out of here, so it'll break your neck.
Be able to catch it.
We need to get a fishing net.
I want to come down here and then head back that way. Oh, that rock there.
Gun it.
Right here.
Oh, it's got a tip. Oh, sliding. Up.
Come on, baby. Hey! See See, a lot of guys will set their cars up to just crawl.
Uh-huh.
Might not side hill good, but it'll crawl. Oh shit, really? Fuck. I don't know why it keeps doing that.
Hey, we did it. Got a tight spot right there, though.
Yeah. Catch it in the road. This is what I don't want to see roll, but
It's going to happen.
well, I mean, nice rig still.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You don't want to.
I got that body, that deadbolt body used. It was scratched up like you wouldn't believe. I sanded that leg sand,
Uh-huh.
and then I put this clear coat on it that just peeled as soon as the rock hit it. So I blew all that clear off, and I found some shit from AutoZone that you can use on wheels, rims, hubcaps, and shit like that. Man, it's a satin matte finish. Shoot. Not too many scratches left on it either. This is sad. Come on. No. It's gonna fuck me. No? Yeah, baby.
I was gonna try that.
Dig it.
Back to the other side. I ain't going back up there.
Yeah. Now I did it.
You gonna go through?
Yeah. But I want to go back up that way. Yep, king of the mountain.
No good.
No, I posted it. It's on you, my channel.
Thanks, baby.
Actually,
I think I need a new battery. I'm gonna use this battery.
from a distance, it looks like a real, actual real vehicle.
Oh, it'll work, yeah. Get the wheel over on this rock. Now when you come in, put it on this rock. Get that side up. There you go. Now go ahead and do it. Yeah. Now, just keep going. And then, there you go. That's it. Oh, you turned it right. Oh, there you go. Now, get it and turn right.
Go, yeah. Go. We'll see.
Rookie drivers. Let's see if you can do it.
I got all this shit over my wheels, so.
Yeah, I mean, that's I doubt that one would make it as easy. That one will.
Yeah, I think this has advantage for nothing. Yeah, nothing over the wheels and stuff. There's your paint job.
Paint is temporary, glory is forever. Oh, shit.
0 for 2.
Good enough for government work.
So we're not, blasting these batteries, so these last a while, won't they?
Yeah, except if you're in a rig like that one.
All that extra sound and stuff. And
well, the sound and that thing that powers that servo more. It just eats batteries up. But boy, it'll turn. And I got a good servo in this, but I don't think I have it extra powered. I got the servo that's in it. You can. Let's see where I can put my vehicle here.
Just push them.
I can trim right down there.
Yeah.
Oh, mine does have lights in the back.
Yeah, it's lost. I had no control, it just kept going. Dang. Okay. There might be batteries in this.
I got some batteries in the car.
I do too. Yeah, it's not one to bind.
I just joined a club. Hey, where to go backwards?
I gotta carry mine out again.
My thing is I don't want to side on these hills and like CV's like way the fuck up there.
All on the top. This is pretty heavy on top too, but I got a lot of weight on the bottom.
I have no weight on it.
Whoop, sorry, I went the wrong way.
Should have brought it. But I think it's in here.
You can hear the servo in there clicking away.
Yeah, that's that steering one.
Yeah.
And when you plug this in,
Uh-huh.
shit. When you plug this thing in, it that servo is automatically up and running. But you're... And I just lost some of the fucking... Oh.
Try to catch it.
That's alright. When it starts to go, it can't go this way.
So I want to fall and bust this up. What?
Ooh. That thing almost rolled up.
Almost made it. Oh, that counts.
Close enough.
We go on up in Pie Town, there's this wash, and it's also in a reserve thing, and it's about a 3.5, 4 mile round trip. And this will use about 4 batteries. That'll use 2. A couple of things to where that battery is. Up front as much as possible. I gotta go change batteries in the transmitter and the fucking truck. This thing don't do that. Hey. Damn it.
I don't know what I was gonna do if I got up there.
Yeah, I know. I didn't think that far ahead.
Yeah, the other side I couldn't get up at all. Yeah. Better than I'm doing. It has its limits.
Does it though?
Whoa!
Yes, it does.
Now. Let me knock you over.
Go for it.
If I can. You need a winch on there.
I was gonna put one in.
An actual working one?
Yeah.
Oh. Very much a paint job. Trying to get up on that. It didn't work. Oh, I gotta redeem myself. Your roll bar or your roof rack's caught. Not the roll bar, but made it that time.
Man, it's all like a fucking good.
I'm gonna go around the other side. I'm gonna get up on that rock.
There's a canyon that goes through all of that.
It's a nice picture. Jump! You can make it on all four.
I was just gonna come through here and go back down. Or go through there. To the other side.
What, going down that way?
No.
No.
I mean, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, there's a drop off.
You better back up. Did you see it yet? Well, you're almost there. Listen to that sound in the canyon.
Big bush right there, though. Led us to a dead end.
Yeah.
Dead end.
This one, the bumper hangs out, the back bumper. Oh, you kick it over to where it'll grab that cut. Ooh! Flipped it!
I went to the right, or I was looking at to the left.
Baiting it done. I'm originally spinning we need these winches here, and I hook it to it so I keep it from.
Oh, yeah.
You want to get realistic about it.
No guts, no glory.
I'll go quick.
That's how you break axle.
That's how you break your neck.
I know, right? I'm more concerned about you breaking something in the truck.
Well, I think I'm going down this way.
If we had the smaller one, like the 18th or the 24th scale, they'd go down.
And they're pretty cool.
Yeah, they are.
But they're too tiny for me to work on. Holy shit, man, these fingers just don't.
Well, if you had all of them, it might be better.
Do what?
If you had all of your fingers, it might be better.
Oh, oh, sorry.
Oh, yeah, sure you are. Is there a way through there? Oh, there is. I made it. I think I'll just stay here. It's a nice area.
Yeah, it is.
You kind of got to get up on that rock and then side saddle it.
I made it through here, straight down. I don't think I went on the rock. I think I just went cut through.
Oh, well, you might not have. That doesn't make it. You got racked.
Yeah, I wasn't sure what was down there. Push. Whoop.